Welcome to the ultimate guide on launching your own IPTV service. Explore the booming IPTV industry and let's uncover how you can become part of this technology revolution. But first, let's talk about IPTV provider 2TV.store. For seamless service and expert guidance, contact Nancy from customer support today. Links in the description. Now, let's dive into choosing the right IPTV technology. You'll need a server, middleware, codec options, and a user-friendly interface to get started effortlessly. Understanding licensing is crucial. Navigate legal pathways smoothly to ensure your IPTV service is compliant and future-proof for sustained growth in this dynamic market. Once set up, marketing your IPTV service is key. Create appealing offers, use digital marketing techniques to attract subscribers, and differentiate your service from competitors. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your IPTV service. Stay updated with the latest trends and watch your business thrive in this digital era. Subscribe for more insights.